Hello everybody, as well as completing the education city tasks this week, here is another game for you to have a look at to practice your fractions. It's basically a matching pairs game, so you click on one of the green squares, have a look what it says. It will be either a picture showing a fraction or it will be a fraction written down, and then you have to try and find the matching pair, which will be the same fraction shown in a different way. So I'm going to do an example. So that's not written as a fraction, but that's showing a fraction. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue ones out of 9. So 5 over 9 I need to find. Let's see if I get it. No, that's another picture. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty similar. Is it a matching pair? Yeah, it's 5 over 9. It's 5 over 9. So they match. I was pretty lucky there. Okay, this is 3 out of 4. Okay, do they match? No, that was bigger. So you have to try to find the matching pairs as quickly as you can. There are some different versions you can try if you want to make it a little bit more interesting with a timer or something like that.